Hey beautiful people, you're welcome. My name is Naomi Charles and you're welcome to my channel, So with Naomi. So on today's video, we're going to be talking about tape measure or measuring tape. As we all now, to make an outfit, the first thing you want to do is style analysis, like know the style you want to make, and then the next thing is for you to take your measurements or the measurements of your clients. So we have different types of tape. We have the rulers, the one in rulers, and then we have these normal ones that we use. But then I noticed that these two tapes I have here, this is the normal one we use. This one has like, this is the 1/8, the one that has 8 calibrations, has 16 lines, has like 16 lines. So I'm going to be showing us how to read the both tapes. So if this is something you would want to learn, you want to know, please like, subscribe, share this video, and we'll get right into it. Okay people, you're welcome back. So for this tape, let's start with this tape. Now when you count the numbers on the tape, the lines on the tape, you're going to see that you have 8 lines. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So those 8 lines make up an inch. The 8 lines make up 1 inch. So this is like 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8, 5/8, 6/8, 7/8, and 8. That is 1. So when you are taking the measurements, you usually call it 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8, 5/8, 6/8, 7/8, and 1 inch. So this is 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8, 5/8, 6/8, 7/8, and then 8, which is 1 inch. Now this is when we are dividing our measurements by 8. When we are dividing these little lines by 8. Now if we are to divide it by 4, these are the lines we are going to use. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. So we are going to be dividing this. So this is over 4. This is when you divide 2/8, you get 1/4. When you divide this, when we are counting by 4, this is 1. This is 1/4. This is 2/4, which also is half. That is 1/2 when you divide it again, and that is half. So 3. This is 3/4, which is 3/4 is 3/4, and then 4/4 is 1 inch. I hope you understand. So this is 1/4, and then this is half, and then this is 3/4, and this is 1. So on your tape, this is 1/4, this is ½ inch, this is 3/4, and this is 1 inch. So now if we are going to change it to decimal, because most times when we divide with our calculators, we get it in decimals. So now we are going to divide 1 by 8. So when we divide 1/8, we are going to get 0.125. 0.125. So this first line here is 0.125. When you add another 0.125 to it, you get 0.25. So you can either call it 1/8 or you call it 0.125. Are we getting it? And then this line, you can either call it 2/8 or you call it 1/4, that's 1/4, or you call it 0.25. Now the third one is 0.375. This is 0.5. This is 0.625. This is 0.75. This is 0.875, and this is 1. So whichever one you come across with, you won't be confused. If you are calculating, if you are doing the calculation on your calculator and you get 0.625, you won't be confused and looking for what is 0.625 on your tape. You just know that it is 5/8. 5/8 is 0.625. So in decimals, this 1/8 can also be called 0.125. 2/8 can be 1/4, that's 1/4, or 0.25. That is the second line on the tape. The third line on the tape can be called 3/8 or 0.375. The fourth line on the tape can be called 4/8 or ½ inch or 0.5. 4/8, ½ inch, or 0.5. The fifth line is 5/8 or 0.625. The sixth line is 6/8 or 3/4 or 0.75. The seventh line is 7/8 or 0.825, and the fourth line is your 1 inch. So we continue like that. When going forward, when you have 1/8, so you know this is 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 1/8. And when you hear 1.05, you also know this is 1.05. Or when you hear 1.5, it's the same thing. This is ½ of an inch here. So you don't get confused. So the same line continues. This is 1/8. This is 0.25. This is 3/8. I can put half, here, and here I'll do 5/8, 0.625. That's the same thing. 3/4, 3/4, 7/8, or say 0.825, and this is 2 inches. So when I say show me 138, this is 138. Also, if I say 1.0375, it's the same thing as this line. So either you use it in decimal or in fractions. This is how to calculate on your tape measure. I hope this is clear. If you got value from this video, please like, subscribe, share, drop a comment.